Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my CommissionMap PRO review demo, and I have a huge $2,475 bonus to it. Now, what is it? What is CommissionMap PRO? This is a brand new product released by Jamie Lewis, an internet marketing millionaire, and how he made his millions? He was actually using a bunch of weird niches, small little niches that not many people are actually going after, which means that if you're going to promote anything in one of these weird niches, you're gonna make bang because you're not competing with dozens, if not hundreds of other marketers trying to promote the same exact product. So he's making bank with these small little weird niches, and he uses some different free and paid traffic tools. And again, just because you're using different niches, you're gonna be converting so much better. So this product is all about weird little niches from ClickBank you can make bank with, and he actually includes a piece of software with it. So I'm going to show you everything there is to know about CommissionMap PRO. Let me share my screen and let's jump into this review. First of all, I just wanted to show you some examples of these weird little niches and products that you're going to be promoting as an affiliate. Okay, so I found one. As you can see, it says child psychiatrist, weird trick gets any baby to sleep. So this is a baby sleep miracle. Okay, super weird. Not many people are promoting this, but trust me, there are some parents out there that are willing to pay for this information, and this is one of the better converting ClickBank products. Okay, another one I got for you: how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. So this is not making money online, this is spirituality. Okay, so some people out there believe that if they're gonna think about making money, they will make money just by being spiritual, and this is a product about that. And again, people are actually buying this stuff. So again, you're not in the make money online niche, you are in the spirituality niche, which means much less competition. And another one I got for you: keto resource. What's the difference between success and failure on the keto diet? So just, you know, dieting, losing pounds, staying in shape. So this is a keto diet, and again, not many people are actually promoting this, and even if someone is promoting this, they are not professional marketers, which means that if you're gonna use Jamie's formula, the professional marketer's formula, you're gonna just outrank them, blow them out of the water, and just keep all of the profits for yourself as an affiliate. Okay, so these are 3 different examples I got for you, and right now let's check out the sales page. So as you can see, it says these weird little niches come with fast free traffic and make $13,943 a month. Autopilot. PS, you'll want to try this while you sleep. Now, I would normally be wary about income proof like this, $13,000, almost $14,000. But as Jamie Lewis we are talking about, he is again an internet marketing millionaire. I remember getting into making money online back in 2012, and he was already a millionaire. So when it comes to his income proof, this is absolutely legit, and this absolutely works. So let's scroll down. Obviously, he has tons of proof. As you can see, $91,000 in the last 30 days. Pretty amazing. Some more income proof right here. So again, this is Jamie Lewis. Tons of income proof from ClickBank. As you can see, even up to $4,000 per day. So pretty amazing. Some testimonials right here. More proof. CommissionMap PRO, that's the name of this new product. So this is what you're getting. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. 30 days money back guarantee as always, and Jamie and David, these are the 2 guys behind this product. So that's the sales page. You can go through all of this in your own time, obviously, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So actually this is Jamie with his top student. Okay, so obviously this formula works for Jamie, but it wouldn't be any good if it wouldn't work for other people. And he just took one of his students, he taught this formula to him, and his student is making bank as well, which means that you can pick this up, you can just follow the exact formula and make bank as well. Okay, so we have a little introductory video right here. We have 9 plugins as a free bonus, and as you can see, we have defined offers. So first of all, I'm going to show you the video tutorials, and then we're going to talk about offers. So video tutorials, first of all, we have the choosing winning offers to promote. If we're gonna click on it, as you can see, we have free videos. So this is essential, okay? So you need to know which products to promote. You don't want to be promoting offers with 50 or 100 different affiliates. You want to promote something that no one else is promoting, and this is exactly what these tutorials are about. Then we have the free traffic methods. Obviously, if you are broke, you don't want to be investing money into paid traffic, and you have different free traffic formulas. So we got the free forum traffic 1 and 2, we got dirty Facebook group traffic method, we got Facebook Live, we got results post traffic hack, we have 50,000 subscribers on YouTube free video, we have the YouTube thumbnails, YouTube Live, YouTube comments, traffic from Reddit, very powerful, commissions from Craigslist, and also solos January, and this is for Kindle, and also creative webinar. Okay, so you're getting all of these free traffic methods. And next up we got email marketing. So obviously you can send traffic directly to the offer, make money this way, or you can build a list, a niche related list, and just make this so much more powerful down the road. So we have why email marketing, how to set it up. Then we have the funnel breakdown, your opt-in page, active campaign, and email marketing tutorial. So everything you need to know about what email marketing is right here. Then we have cheap and easy paid traffic. Now, obviously, if you want to scale this up, you're going to use paid traffic, and this is the way to use it the cheapest way possible. So we have the intro, free Google Ads credits tip, how to run simple YouTube ads, and how to run Gmail ads, everything you need to know. Then we have mastermind sessions. So you are actually getting replays of some mastermind with both of these guys. So we have the cold lead generation, Facebook agency, Fiverr, marketing agency, Airbnb, and a Monolith. So this is something additional to make money with. And the last one, we have webinar wow, which means that you're gonna get a webinar replay showing you the whole process. Okay, now this is all the video training, and I told you you're also gonna get a piece of software included. So let's click on find offers. And as you can see, you will be able to find offers from within the software. So you don't have to go to JVZoo or ClickBank or any other of these websites to find offers. You can find offers and get all information from right here. So you have the offer name, the payout, the category, the subcategory, the keywords, and then as you can see, we have traffic right here included. So traffic sources are included. So we get Facebook ads, Google ads, and Craigslist. And as you can see, all the information is right here. So we got self-help, we have spirituality, health and fitness, business, all these different weird little niches and weird little programs that you can make money with. Okay, so this is exactly what you're getting, and as you can see, you have a ton of additional stuff, but these are the one-time offers. So right now, let's go through all of the OTOs and upsells and the pricing. Okay, so as you can see, the main product will be $17.95. Keep in mind, this is CommissionMap PRO early bird. So this will be the price for the first few hours only. After that, the price will be going up. So if you want to pick it up for just $17.95, make sure to show up early, and it will be actually going live. Let me look it up here on January 13th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so that's $17.95. Then we have upsell number 1, unthrottled version for $47. In a second, I'm going to tell you exactly what each one is. Upsell number 2, we got monetization sites, $97. Then we have software suite, $197. Upsell number 3, and the last one, weekly webinars, $297. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. There's one more. We have downloads for $197. Okay. So these are the prices, and right now let me show you exactly what which one is. Okay, so right here in my blog, as always, I have a full written review that will include the funnel, obviously. So again, CommissionMap PRO, that's the unthrottled version, which means you're getting the VIP unthrottled version. So you can experience unlimited searches and firepower. So there are some limitations on the main version. I believe it's 20 searches per day. With this upgrade, you're removing them all, and you can make even more money down the road. So that's number 1, upsell number 1 for $47. Upsell number 2, CommissionMap PRO, $97 as well. And in this upgrade, you're getting a website builder, which means that you can build the website with a few clicks and then sell them for hundreds or even thousands of dollars in these niches. Okay, So that's $97 OTO number 2. OTO number 3, we had CommissionMap PRO, $197, and this is an exclusive software bundle. And then this upgrade, you will unlock unlimited things like traffic software, like a domain software, and like a YouTube software. So this is a perfect combination if you want to automate most of your online business. Audio number 4, we get CommissionMap PRO for $297, and obviously we already talked about the live training webinar. So first of all, you're getting a weekly live webinar with Jamie. This is a training workshop. You can ask him questions, and you're also gonna get all of the webinar replays performed since 2011. Okay, so just massive value, almost like coaching but on live webinars. And then the last one, we had $197. That's the ultimate download, which means that you can download all of Jamie's videos, sales videos, training videos, etc., and you can use them as your own. So many of these videos are video sales letters, infomercials, and essentially you're going to be selling with these videos, and you can use all of this in your own business. So that's $197. Now guys, obviously OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone, but maybe if you want the unlimited version, or maybe the videos, or maybe the coaching on weekly webinars, you can definitely think about picking one of these OTOs up. Now let me show you all of my bonuses, because I mentioned $2,475 worth of bonuses, and if you want to get all of them, you will have to pick up CommissionMap PRO through my link. And to do so, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, that's the first link in the description of the video. Okay, so you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free from me, just as a thank you for picking up CommissionMap PRO through my link. First of all, you're gonna get a custom made bonus especially for this promotion. So you cannot buy it, you cannot get it anywhere else. You can only get it right here as a part of this bonus package. And I'm also going to give you 3 exclusive bonuses Jamie gave me for my subscribers only. Okay, so this is affiliate shortcut, profit injector, and an interview with Jamie. Okay, so these are 3 custom made bonuses especially for my subscribers. You're also gonna get affiliate cash monster. This is a piece of software. Clickbank marketing secrets, that's the W's of the day. Awarded product, video profit machines, list building profit kit, Fiverr income secrets, Fiverr masterclass, riser, newbie traffic formula, flip me income booster, a reseller's license to flip me, urgent arbitrage cash, easy arbitrage profits, blaze, tube traffic avalanche, and a Facebook case study about free traffic. So all of these are W's of the day awarded products. You're also gonna get 9 plugins and software: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin, Biz sales page writing software, Squeeze page creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales bar, Short Code, Call to Action, and 10 more on top of this. You're gonna get Authority Traffic Matters, Facebook Live Reaction, Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, image and video commenters, social auto poster, Slick Pop, and VidBot. Now I'm not done, because on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. Okay, so you can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. And my mega bonus alone again is worth $1,500, and that's a total of $2,475. Now guys, as always, I already mentioned I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it out, and this will include this little sum up right here. So just to sum up this CommissionMap PRO review, you can make money with weird little niches, which means zero competition when it comes to other affiliates. Jamie made multiple 7 figures this way. Video training and software is included, free traffic strategies, paid traffic strategies, email marketing strategies, and this is a completely newbie-friendly method. So guys, I really like this product, and that's why I decided to review it, because this is not something that many people are doing. Okay, so if you are in the make money online niche, internet marketing niche, you're probably competing with 50 to 100 affiliates on every single promotion. No one is really promoting these products, and these audiences are not really used to being bombarded with promotions, which means that they are much more receptive and they are actually buying this stuff. So that's why Jamie made bank this way, and you can make bank with Jamie's software and training. Okay, so this is what you're getting. And before we go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus. If you'll decide to pick up CommissionMap PRO through my link, and again, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links on my blog or the first link from YouTube in the description. You're gonna get these delivered automatically to you, and to claim it, just go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So just click on your icon on the top right here, click on the purchase history, open CommissionMap PRO or any other product you got from my link, and under the access your purchase button, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you're gonna get it. You don't have to send me emails or send me receipts. This is done automatically. So this is how you're gonna get your bonus from me. And again, CommissionMap PRO will be going live on January 13th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to show up for the early bird, get some free traffic, start making thousands of dollars with these weird products and niches on ClickBank, just like Jamie. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more reviews just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao!